Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on one of the famous scene from the Bahubali, but this scene is totally remade and in place of the original sound they have put some Cadbury singing song.
Yes, Cadbury Silk song
Yes.
ad from the Cadbury Silk
Right.
ad, right? So the song name is Kiss Me. I think you must know.
Right.
All of them
Yes,
must
everybody.
know that. Everybody.
Everybody.
It is
I think,
very
yes,
famous song.
famous
Kiss
song.
me, close your eyes.
Yeah,
That
right.
one, right? So yes, so it is going to be very fun because in behind some serious scene will be there, and in the
On top of
background, on
that,
top of that, the
This
song.
song is going on,
Yes.
and it will feels like the Bahubali itself. He is singing
He
that
is
song.
singing the song. So let's get started. It is going to be very fun. Okay,
Yes.
trust me. And yes, let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. So chalo, झट से let's get started.
Yes. Okay.
Kiss me. Close your eyes and miss me.
My goodness.
I can reach your lips on your fingertips. And happiness in your eyes. Kiss me.
God.
Perfect.
Close your eyes and miss me. Close your eyes and kiss me.
Cadbury Silk. How far will you go for love?
It was epic. Well synced. The
Yes.
mouth and everything, like it was well synced.
It was
The
superb,
lip
superb.
was, my goodness, that was hilarious.
Actually, first time when we watched this, we were never expecting this
Yes.
kind of scene.
We never expected actually. I didn't see this kind of scene where I have seen a lot of scene where they have put
Some other
voice or
Yes.
voiceover and some funny dubs and
Right.
everything. But this is hilarious. This
Yeah.
is the
and it was perfectly
The
matching
best.
with the lip syncing.
Yes.
Lip syncing was perfect.
and also irrespective of the lip syncing also in the the
Background
Raja
music
and
or-
everyone like हाथ काट दिया and खून
Yes,
निकल
right.
hilarious, very
Yes,
fun.
very
It is
funny.
full of comedy. So we thought ever since we saw this, we were like, okay, we have to share this with our friends.
Friends.
That's why we thought, okay, let's give reaction on this scene.
Yes.
It is epic.
Epic. Yeah.
Okay, that was
And
epic.
whoever have made this, I think this is
Ajmal
Ajmal
Sabu.
Sabu, and
Ah,
I think
he
he
has
has
done a
done a
brilliant job.
fabulous job here.
I think he has only done. Yes.
Yes.
That was superb. He is telling, like suggesting to use it headphones
Yeah.
so that you can get a more thrill. And yes, definitely that was
Definitely,
epic.
It was epic, and let us know how you feel
How you
about this
felt about that.
song and with this mashup, you can say.
Yes, and if you want to give a reaction on more such this kind of content, let us know. We will definitely
Yes.
do, because our channel is not only meant for giving
Trailer or
reaction
scene
on trailer
reaction.
or
We can
scene.
give
We can give
reaction
any
on any content.
Yes, so this content is hell funny. Like that also we
Right.
can give reactions on some sad content or some
Yes.
serious content, emotional, everything.
true.
Okay, so we thought, okay, let's laugh together today. That's why we decided to give our reaction on this epic scene. That was
Yeah.
Pravas also. He was like looking very serious, but at the same time in this ad, like it was like hilarious.
Right.
Okay,
The voiceover
Shivagami
was
also. He was just.
what he is
What is
singing.
he?
That expression
Oh
was
God,
superb,
expression
yes.
also well synced. It was superb. Okay, I really hope that you will also like this content. This is a very small clip, I know.
Yes,
Very small
just
video.
50 seconds.
50 seconds only. So yes, I really hope that you will also enjoy and laugh with us. Now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes. So the first comment for today is from Manoj Kumar R. He is writing his comment on Thalapathy Vijay birthday special mashup 2020.
Yeah.
And he is writing that King of Kollywood.
Yeah.
Thank you guys for your reaction from your heart. Love it.
Yes, he is the king of
He's
Kollywood.
He is obviously king of
Yes,
Kollywood. And
not
we-
only him, but some people were telling that why are you like avoiding some other legends? like a lot of Rajnikant sir was there. So
Yes.
some senior. I
Right.
just got the comment from one of you only. So by King of Kollywood, we meant that he was like superb in his own field.
Right.
Okay,
And
in
he's-
his
he's
own
also-
acting perspective.
Actually, he is king of Kollywood because
He can, yes.
a lot of the people
He
are
can
there
tell
in
that.
competition, and he's one of them.
One of them. So that doesn't mean that Rajnikant sir doesn't know
He's
anything
legend.
or Dhanush
You
doesn't know
can't,
anything.
you can't compare
Yes.
Rajinikanth sir. He's totally legend.
Yeah, so they all are king in
Yes.
in all their perspectives. So Abhay once told right that एक क्लास में मतलब 2-3 टॉपर्स हो सकते हैं.
Right.
सबको अगर 100 मिला तो हम ऐसा नहीं कह सकते कि वही अकेले टॉपर है. Everyone is the
That's
topper. Like that only. Okay, so don't judge in this a small kind of thing. And yes,
And
definitely
many people
Manoj
they
Kumar.
have somebody has likes about
Yeah.
somebody else, and some
Correct.
people likes this people. It happens.
In this mashup, no, he was looking like a king.
Yes.
Okay,
He's king,
definitely, he
yes.
was looking like a king. The appearance,
That's
the gesture of him, the mashup was made so beautifully that we couldn't control to tell that he is the king of Kollywood, and we are very happy
Right.
that we told that, right?
Yes.
And he is the legend. Okay, for us. So
Yes.
that is why we told, and yes, we are very extremely proud of him, of Talapati Vijay sir and Manoj Kumar. Yes, definitely, we always give our reaction from our heart only, and yes, thank you so much for your appreciation, and thank you so much for commenting and for watching our videos.
Yes.
So the second comment for today's video is from Deepak is Deepak, and he's commenting, I am Deepak from Bangalore. I watch every videos of yours. You both are doing a good job. I'm a big fan of Vijay Anna. I love so much Vijay Anna. If master film come, please don't miss to watch first day. It will grand. Thank you for your reaction. Keep going. Do well. Take care. Thank you so much. You also do well and take care, because we know that the pandemic situation is going on. So take care of your family also as well. Yes, and we have a plan to see
Watch
the
this,
first
first
day
day,
first show. I don't know. We are not sure about the first show, but first day we will be
Yes,
trying.
right.
It is definitely going to be happened. Okay.
And as of now, we
And,
are also not sure when this
when
movie
this
is
movie
coming.
is,
Because
yeah,
mostly,
going
I
to
think
release.
it will come at the end of this year. Mostly.
हाँ मे बी हो सकता है क्योंकि दिस काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन इज गोइंग ऑन सो दे विल नॉट टेक रिस्क ऑफ
yeah.
because it is a big film and they will not take risk.
Yes,
Also
that's
it will be very difficult for people also to go and watch this movie in the
Right.
movie hall. It is not
And it will be very
not a
tough
good
for
thing.
management also to manage
Correct.
the crowd.
Yes, and we also love Vijay
Right.
Anna a lot, and we will always like enjoy each and every scenes of Vijay Anna. We always see also
That's
these
true,
films
yeah.
and his movie scenes. Always appreciate him, and yes, we are also from Bangalore.
Yes.
So thank you so much, Deepak, for commenting and for watching our videos. So the third comment for today's video is from Srini Vishnu S. Shrikant, and he's commenting June 22, most probably master trailer or teaser may release. Oh, is it?
So
Wow.
he's also suspecting. I think if that release, it will be a great news
Great
for
thing, yeah, June
us, and it will
2020,
be a
हाँ.
great gift for Talapati Vijay also.
We also
Yes, we
was
have
telling
also
right
told,
that on,
yes.
on his birthday itself, I think it
I think
can be
something
released.
big will happen.
But somebody have told like our friends only that he because of this pandemic situation, no, Vijay Anna decided not to celebrate his birthday in a grand way
Yeah.
this year because of
Right.
that situation. That is a very
Yeah.
respectful thing for him.
Right.
Because
we were
yes,
also
we are
telling
also
that
telling,
it will be
yeah.
tough for him to celebrate in grand way this time.
So yes, because of this situation only. But yes, if the master trailer will be released, then it will be a epic thing.
Yes.
Okay, for us, for each and everyone who are following Vijay sir a lot.
Right.
So thank you so much, Srinivasanu, for watching and for commenting on our video. So these all are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone whoever have commented, who are our subscribers and who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our
Yes.
videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then,
Bye.